Okay, I'm working on this overhead hand pull on a 2018 Nissan Rogue, and I want to explain a few things about why this thing is so difficult to work with. Of course, when it's in the car, it's mounted up like that in the side of the ceiling, and we have these clips, and this one does not have a spring on it. This one's spring loaded, but these clips are mounted in the metal of the roof line, and when you take it apart, they're still in there. The best way to get them out once you're down to that point is a pair of either needle nose or what these are duckbill pliers, and you squeeze it together enough to where you can get these two tabs to come in, this one and this one, and then you pull it out. Make sure you get it pulled out and it doesn't fall back in the roof line. When you're putting it back together, you have to slide it up over the taper. You see there's a taper there, and then it slides into the two slots and comes through, with any luck that is. That'll snap into the roof once it's all together, and this to me is the hardest part of the whole deal, is trying to get this out. What you have to do is you have to stick, hopefully you can get a good view of that. You have to stick something in there and pull that in, and then it looks like it should pull this way, but it has to pull straight up. And straight up is at a weird angle, so it just seems really bizarre. So when it goes back together, I want you to see how it actually works. That goes down in there like that. This one I'm going to go ahead and get it slid too. And you have to squeeze very, very hard to try and get this thing down. Push in on that and squeeze. I have been taking a very small hammer and tapping that down. I wouldn't advise doing this when it's cold outside, because you probably break the plastic. You see that one went right down in there like it's supposed to. Now I got to do the same thing to this one. I'm going to see if I can do it at a side angle here. It's hard to look through the camera and do this. Just about there now. There we go. A little bit of added pressure and tapping, and once all the way in there. Now they're locked in as an assembly, and from here they just snap in the roof. See those holes right there? That's what that goes in. You got to push the headliner up into position a little bit, and then you got to flip this one down. Get it in there, and once they're kind of lined up, you snap them in place, and that's that. But like I said, it's very awkward. You have to stick a tool in there, pull this up, and then this goes almost straight up. It goes up with this line right here, and it is a very difficult thing to do, particularly when you don't know how to do it. Hopefully this will make it easier for some of y'all out there, and I'm going to see if I can find some more things we could do on this.